Hi, I'm Vakar. So a while back, there's a business here in Faisalabad, Pakistan. They approached me to develop a system to maintain their inventory. So they're one of the largest supplier of electronic items, PLCs, and general order supplier to the textile businesses in Pakistan. And their annual transaction volume is around 50 million rupees. So the idea was simple: to develop a system to keep track of what's coming in, what's going out, and that's it. But when I looked closely at their workflows, and it was all manual. Like they're maintaining one big spreadsheet with like a lot of different subsheets to keep track of like the party ledgers, how much money the other parties they owe them, and their expenses, bank details. Everything was manual. So you sort of copy like one entry over here, and then have to manually copy the variant of that all those other locations. So we discussed why not develop a solution where we can automate like all these things, where you just enter information once and then it can keep track of your inventory, and then at the same time it keep tracks of like your party ledger, expenses, sales, purchases, everything. So we worked on that, and with that, I present to you a software I've developed, which is Cosmo, which is a complete business solution that can keep track of your inventory, sales, purchases. It can generate reports, and then sometimes businesses here in Pakistan, they sort of like operate under different trading names due to the tax purposes. So there's like one parent company, and then there are like sub companies under the same parent company but with different trading names. So it gives you the flexibility to operate like under different trading names as well. We sort of like so that's where like it can get tricky, because for each trading name, it's dealing with let's say a textile business. So it will keep track of that separately, and then you can like for example, if the inventory is common and your purchases are common, your expenses are common, so it helps you with that. So I'm going to show you a quick demo of the software. And so this is the dashboard of the Cosmos software, where you can quickly review like for example your daily transactions, like how much money was in and how much was out, and then your individual account balances, your inventory summary, and then your receivables and payables. So that gives you like a glimpse of like your overall system. So first of all, we can go to the settings. Over here we can set different trading names. So right now we have two trading names, ABC and XYZ, and then you can also add different banks options. So normally, like for example, for a trading name, they can be like different bank accounts in different banks. So you have to keep track of everyone. So first of all, we go to the inventory. We can download the template for a bulk import. So for example, if there are like thousands of items, you can do it like in just one click. And that allows you to actually do it. Yes, so we can let's say overwrite it, and then we can open the template. So for example, in this sheet, you can edit like as per like your current like let's say inventory format, and then sort of like you can just bulk import, and then all the items are going to be shown over here. And similarly, you can do the same thing with the party ledger as well. You can manually add like all the parties individually, or you can download the template and then bulk import them, and that gives you like the summary and the party ledger as well. In the transactions, we can record, like say for example, if there's like a sales transaction or a purchase transaction, we can do it. And then sometimes like you can do the party payments. Like for example, if you're selling something like let's say on cash, so there's like no invoice or delivery challan. So you can do it as well. You can record your expenses. So they can be like different categories and then subcategories as well. So subcategories are important because at the end of the day, you want to keep track of, like for example, where like your money is actually going in terms of like what are the subheadings. Yeah, so like in a normal workflow, normally when you like sell your item, so for example over here in Pakistan, so the textile businesses, like they normally operate like you supply some item, and then there's like a 90 days, generally a 90 days period, with the other company will pay you back in that time frame. So normally you generate like a delivery challan, like which items you're providing, and then once that delivery challan is approved, then you generate the invoice, and then the company will pay you against that like particular invoice. So we all will like implement all those options where you can keep track of like how many delivery slots are pending, and where you can, you know, whether they approve, and for example if they're rejected, so for example at a later stage, so you have to keep track of that as well, so that you can reverse like your inventory accordingly. And then if you go to the, so in payments you can record those payments, and if you go to the reports, you can have like your sales report, and then you can select the interval or the time frame in which you're going to generate that report. Then you have the option of daily summary, account balances, like what is like your status for a particular date, in terms of like in your cash and other banks accounts. Then you can also sort of generate like your reports by expense, by category, and then by subcategory as well. And then you can also generate like your inventory reports as well. And then this option is pretty cool, where you can like actually see like how your individual trading names are actually making money, or how they're actually operating. So this is all from the Cosmo software. If you're interested, please you can write to me at hello@waqaraziz.com. Thank you.